Hello, this is Sarah Meehan with Concentrus, and today I am here to bring you a short and sweet tip related to customizing your advanced PDF templates. Specifically, what we're going to be looking at is excluding $0 values from your advanced PDF template. But this logic can be used to really do a lot of things with your advanced PDF templates. Anytime you're looking to exclude a null value, this would be a great way to achieve that. So first, we're going to start by looking at current state. I'm going to print a PDF, and I'm going to see here that the discount is 0. And this can be a little bit of an unattractive way to display this because of the fact that you're kind of calling attention to the fact that the customer did not actually receive a discount. So what we're going to do is use some conditional logic and an if statement to conditionally exclude that entire row if it doesn't have a value. So what I'm going to do is open the advanced PDF template. And it does help if you have some HTML experience or at least familiarity when you're starting to work with these advanced PDF templates. That being said, you can just follow along and copy and paste, but it does help to have a little bit of a baseline to work from. So down here is the section that I'm looking to target. I can see I have some blocks of information that display subtotal, discount, tax amount, and total, which aligns with what I'm seeing down here. So I know this is the right area to look at. And what I'm going to do is add one little snippet of text right here. And what I'm doing is I'm saying if the discount total value, which is the same one that I'm actually displaying in that row, is not equal to 0, then I want to inject this snippet of text, which is a row that includes the header that says the word discount, as well as the discount total value. And then I'm going to add one more tag to actually close out this little snippet. And basically all I'm doing is just saying, display this block of code if the condition is met, if discount total is not equal 0. If it is equal to 0, then it's not going to do anything, which is exactly what we want. It's just going to display, it's going to skip right over this and move to the tax amount section. So at this point, I'm going to save this. And then once it loads, I'm going to print a new version of this template. So just as a refresher, here we have our original version, discount with a blank value. If I hit print, now I will see no discount. So that entire row is excluded. And just as a proof of concept to validate the logic that we've set up, I'm going to edit this cash sale and add a discount. So I'm going to come down here, set a 10% discount. I can see up here now my discount amount is $100. I'm going to save this. And now when I reprint, my discount line is shown. So like I said earlier, this type of logic, this if logic, is very common and it's extremely helpful in customizing your PDFs because it does allow you to make the formatting a bit more dynamic. And I've seen customers use this to create some very complex PDF logic that has allowed them to consolidate multiple PDF templates into one single PDF template, especially when you're dealing with things like subsidiaries that might have distinct labeling requirements or language that they need to use. Using these if statements is a fantastic way to address that requirement. I hope you enjoyed this video and found that information helpful. Thank you so much for watching.